Okay guys, for today's video is I am the rubber worker, and here is the first victim. Here is the first move guys. Before I tapping this one, I need to remove this one guys. This one guys is the this is guys is trellis. This called trellis, and I need to cleaning before tapping knife is yeah, this is guys this is how to make the rubber tree, make rubber ano guys, rubber, what's the cool of here guys. I don't know what the English of here, but here is the name of this guys is tagok guys. And here very ano guys, very matarik here guys. And here this one is little rubber guys, because the rubber tree is maliit pa, but I need to tapping this one because I need money guys. Oh, what the spout guys is removed, and I need to canal this one. Because if this one is no canal guys, the rubber ano guys is masasayang siya guys. And that is why, and that's why I using lip guys. I'm using lip for downs, for spout replacement guys. I use lip guys, libs guys, for down for spout replacement guys. Kumbaga ito yung i-replace natin guys sa spout na natanggal. Ito. Yeah, 'di ba? I need to replace lip guys because this one is very I don't know how to call this one. The aluminum is very flexible guys, flexible, and I need to remove this one guys because the coil of this one guys is trellis. This is the trellis guys, trellis. I need to remove this one because it is sagabal guys. And oops, this one guys. Yeah, very basic guys, very basic. And this is the tagok of rubber tray guys, and this is the rubber. Ito, this is the rubber guys na natuyo na. Very hard mag English guys, pero I need English because YouTube is not understand Bisaya or Tagalog. I am Filipino kasi guys And this one is no need to remove the trellis guys. Direct to the point na guys, diretso na. Yeah, di ba guys? This is the call of this guys is one click. And here's the big here's the big rubber tree guys. And no need to remove the trellis guys, because I am hungry now. I need to quick this work guys, because this time is time to eating. 12 o'clock guys, 12 o'clock na afternoon. I need to eating now guys. Oh, this one here is little rubber guys, little rubber. For me guys is very basic. The work of here guys is very basic for me guys, hindi sa pagmamayabang. Here is guys is very hard to make money of here guys. This guys is native, like native rice, native chicken, you know what, because no international chicken of here guys. That's why the call of, because this one is very sagabal guys. For me guys, the kind of work of this is very basic. Because I am veteran to tapping this one rubber tree, you know guys. And I need to move here in the top. I need to remove here in the top guys, and the way is very hard to walking. So as you can see guys, the land of this is very high and very matarik guys, matarik. I don't know how to English this one. The kind of land this one is, this here is, I don't know what the English guys, but the English of land is land, but the situation guys is, I don't know how to call English. And the Tagalog guys is very matarik guys, matarik. And I need to tapping this one guys, because I'm very hungry now. And I need to the food is very far guys. That's why I need to finish the work this here. I need to finish the work here before back to the camp. And the food is here. And yeah, biradahan ko na to dahil sobrang guslaay na sa mga idol. I'm very hard to speak English guys, but you know guys, I need to speak English because my video is posting to YouTube apps, and I know the YouTube is, I don't understand English, Bisaya. That's why guys, I can't Bisaya ng diretsuhan guys dahil hindi tayo maintindihan sa YouTube. This one guys is very good rubber. Very good rubber guys, because yeah, the katas is very faster and very beautiful. I need to remove this one guys. This here, I need to move this here. Nice. Yeah. So guys, I need to move this here because the rubber tree of here is 1, 2, 3. I need to finish here before back to my camp. And I'm very hungry now guys. I need to do this one guys, because the birada is very hard. If I don't remove this one guys, the coal here is treeless. As you can see guys, the katas is move here. That's why I need to remove treeless pairs before those, because this one is possibility this way, and I need to remove this one, this here guys. Very hard to English guys. Very hard to English guys. The land of here guys is very matarik. So this one also I need to remove the trellis again, because if I not remove the trellis pairs, the tapping knife is sabit-sabit, di ba? That's why I need to remove this one pairs before I tapping. Hard to remove, ah. This is for you. Hard to remove, ah. This is for you. Yeah. So many insekto guys. So many insekto. The insekto is like to bite me. Unlimited guys. The insekto is unlimited bite me. And I need to understand, because the insecto is hungry also. And here again guys, ito may massive rock guys, massive rock. And always before I move guys, I remove this one. The call of this is trellis again guys. Trellis, this is the trellis guys. And hard to get the trellis guys. That's why I tapping this one. tapping knife guys is sumibat na. Here in the Philippines guys is very hard to get money, but I need to work hard guys because I'm very poor person guys. I'm very poor person, and I need to move here and here first guys. Here's the first guys, because it is little rubber guys, little rubber tree. I need to salud this one and poke this one guys. Oh, so I need to replace again guys this one. This is the spout and this is the leaf, and I need to replace leaf because this one is very flexible and very easy to remove guys, and the leaf is hard to remove, and that's why I replace this. This is the useless guys, this is the useless, and this is the use, good to use guys, very good to use, the rubber leaf. And I need to remove this one, I need to remove here guys because very hungry now. Yeah, this one guys, and this one again guys, I need to remove this one, I need to remove here guys, and also this is the rubber. Yeah, and I need to tapping quickly. That the tapping knife guys is very hard to control, and the rubber wood is nasasama sa pagtapping guys, itong rubber wood, and that's the very bad because if this one guys is always maapil ang kahoy guys, always maapil ang kahoy, the tugsik is enter this one guys, and the rubber tree is disappear guys, the rubber tree guys is disappear or die, di ba guys? So that's why I need to control this one, I need to control guys na yung wood niya, yung wood hindi masama, hindi matamaan, di ba guys? Yeah, understand guys? Then that's all, and I need to remove here guys the little rubber, and always guys, always here is mas bitter pagka kinontrol mo para hindi makahoy, dahil the tugsik is enter the wood, and the rubber guys is disappear or die, guys. And that's the very good idea guys, na control the tapping knife. And here's the last 100 guys, last 100 guys. I need to tapping quickly guys para pauwi na tayo kasi guslaay na sa. Yeah, and I need to move this one, move here guys, move here, move past here guys. This rubber guys, very good. Very good guys. Oh. This rubber guys is very good. See? The katas guys is very marami. Diba? Not poor guys, not poor. And I need to move here guys. And I cut the video. And this is the last 99 guys, last 99. The worker of rubber guys is very hard, but I need to suffer because I need money guys. The money guys is very hard to get, and very easy to lose, very easy to use guys. The money is easy to use but hard to get. Real talk. I need to remove here guys, because here's a obstacle guys. Very obstacle guys. The tagok of this is hindi makadaan sa obstacle. That's why I need to remove the trellis. I need to remove the trellis guys. And here's the last 98 guys. Last 98. The rubber, this rubber tree guys is very small, very small. That's why the sugat is also small, because the tree is small and also the sugat is small, diba guys? And I need to move here. Here the lower part of this area. The lower part of this area guys, I need to move. And here's the purse. Here is the purse guys. Oh, so many rubber guys, many rubber guys. That's why this rubber is very good. So many tagok guys. So many rubber guys. So many tagok guys. Yeah. Wow. So many tagok of this one guys. Tagok. This plastic is very sagabal guys. What the, I need to remove this one guys, because obstacle, this one is obstacle. And I need to move here. I need to move here guys. The spout again guys is disappear, and I need to replace again. I need to replace guys. The spout is very the spout guys is very weak, and I need to replace this one, and that's why sugatan ko tong dito. Yeah. And this lip guys is very good to replace. This lip guys is very good to replace. Yeah. Yeah. This lip guys is very good. And I need to tapping this one guys because this kind of rubber guys is very good because the tagok is very so many tagok guys, so many tagok. The blood of this rubber tree guys is so many. Yeah. Oh guys, so many yung tagok guys, so many yung tagok. So I need to move this one lower part of this area guys. I need to move. This one is little rubber guys, little rubber. The little rubber guys. Yeah. Little rubber guys. This is the little rubber guys. The rubber tree guys is small, and also the samad is also small. Diba? I need to small the samad because the rubber tree is small. And this one guys, this one is the tagok is smaller but not bad. This is small progress, still progress guys. And done. I need to move here. And this rubber tree guys is very good. Very good guys, very good. This rubber tree is very good. And I need to move here guys. Here, the lower part of this area guys. And my technique guys, my strategy guys is from lower part to here, from upper part. I see guys, upper part, from upper part, from here lower part. And that's why hinihingal ako. Pasubida guys. Hinihingal ako paahon guys because the land of this area is very matarik. Matarik, it means matarik. I don't know what the matarik in English guys. And tomorrow I use Google to search matarik in English. And I need to move this area guys, this here. This rubber guys is very small. Very small guys, but this is the call small but terrible guys. Small but terrible guys. And I need to move here guys, here. And so many rubber of this area, guys. So many rubber of this area, guys. And that is the last, guys. That is the last. And if you are here in the last part of this my video, and I hope you're subscribe to me, guys, and like to my video, because I am very poor, guys, and I need to make video for my family, guys. And you know the situation of this nation is very poor, guys. That's why I need to grind, guys. I need to grind. I need to grind for my family. And thank you for watching, guys. See you to the next video, and I hope you're satisfied to my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, guys. I love you to all. Mwah mwah. Chup chup.